Welcome, Norwegian cruise fans. If you've ever cruised the Caribbean with Norwegian, you're going to recognize this right away as the entrance to Great Stirrup Cay. When we booked this 10 days cruise, I really thought this sounded like a filler, but turns out I was pleasantly surprised. This is probably the best beach day I've ever had, and I grew up in Florida. If you're a parent, you know exactly what I mean. We didn't have to pack the car, make sandwiches, buy ice, clean out a cooler, or anything getting ready to go to the beach. We just showed up, picked a seat, and it was really that easy. As we walked to the beach with our good friends, Steve and Donna, we're greeted by music and the always amazing staff of the Norwegian Sky. You'll notice the beach itself is very pristine and the water was amazing. After we got settled in, I realized we could stay busy all day or we could just hang out and do nothing at all. There are several bars and restaurants with plenty to eat and drink, and not having to take anything to the beach made this experience just outstanding. I hope you enjoy this video of Norwegian's Great Stirrup Cay. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all.
Sea urchins, watch your steps, sweetheart.
As you can see, the water was the crystal clear turquoise that the Caribbean is famous for. It was a little cool as this was mid-January, but only took a few seconds to get used to, and then you didn't want to get out. We had a great time swimming around and it was just so refreshing. This was definitely one of the best beach days ever. This was one of my favorite parts of our beach day. A wide variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and several meats to choose from, and everything is part of your dining package, so you can have whatever you want and as much as you want. Everything was delicious and well prepared, and as always the staff was friendly and helpful.